All right, so one of the positives about hanging out together and not having a whole lot to do, being retired, we started experimenting with food. So we cut up some mushrooms and got some oil and tempura and did that. Unfortunately, we didn't have like any cocktail sauce or anything to go with it. Probably would have been good. And then we also tried banana, which, what's on that one?
Cinnamon.
Oh, we got cinnamon on the banana with the tempura. So I found, this is just my personal preference, is Miracle Whip. Of course, yes, this is Miracle Whip how it comes here in Boquete. But I put a little Miracle Whip on mine, and it actually tastes pretty good. Maybe just because I like Miracle Whip. Go. So now we got to try banana.
You gonna put some honey on?
You want to put honey on it? All right. Come here. We'll get to see Carol's hands. Watch this. There they are. It gets in front of the camera. Carol's got hands on. All right. So now, once you cut it up, and let's try a piece each. This is our $2 knife.
Yep.
$2 knife. All right, let's see what this tastes like.
Better than the mushroom.
Man, that's actually good. All right, Carol won't be on camera, so it's experiments in the kitchen. Yeehaw.